outside in my yard today with my pretty yellow lilies out there, and I'm getting ready to unbox the Pink Mermaid. There's a picture of her. Okay, and so come along and watch me unfold this beautiful, beautiful Pink Mermaid. Okay, we'll see you inside. Hello, everybody. This is Joy with Everything Diamond Painting, and I've got a new Diamond Art Club painting to unbox. I'm going into an event with hashtag Tig's Summer Paint Along, and you'll find Tig's Painting Facebook group. Has all the instructions and whatever. I'll have that posted on my description box. Anyway, it was any water-themed painting or any Mandy Manzano or, and such. But I like the Pink Mermaid. Even before the event was talked about, I saw this picture on Diamond Art Club and I fell in love with it. And like I said, it's a little bit out of the ordinary for me, but let me give you a close-up of it. It's a square painting, and it's Pink Mermaid by, I have to read this, it's by an art company. Let me get my glasses on here. It's by Chibimika Art. I can't even say the word, but anyway, it's square and it's 16 or 42 centimeters by 51 or 6.5 inches by 20 inches. And I love that, don't you? Don't you just love that picture? Anyway, I'm going to unbox this, and every time I get an event and I buy a painting for it, then I don't get to my journey and my stash unboxing. So that's why it takes me so long to get that series done. But I'm going to go ahead and open this now. Here's the schematic. Here's the picture. Pink Mermaid. Isn't she beautiful? Yeah. And there you can see the name, Chibimika. I'm destroying that name, but anyway, there's the picture of her. I get another little close-up. There you go. Isn't she beautiful? Oh my gosh. I don't know, for some reason she just struck me. So so there's my sticker. Okay, let's get the painting out here. Let's get this show on the road. I put the let's see, there's still something in there. Oh, here's the toolkit. Okay. So our toolkit, we get the, here, I'll go ahead and open this right away, get it out of the way. All right. Diamond Art Club always sends some good stuff. So we got the squishy for the pen, and here's the pen. Okay. Got squishy and pen. Got pointed tweezers. They always send for the squares. I got that. Got 2 heart-shaped waxes, and they send the good kind of wax that you can't see through. Okay, that's good. That's good. And they always send baggies. Got lots of baggies. Lots of baggies. And then this is a clear boat this time. Clear tray. Okay. So it's pretty much a standard toolkit like everybody gets. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to get this unopened now, and we're going to see this beautiful painting. And because I had seen this already, and I thought, oh, I really like it, but can I, justify buying it? And then when I joined Tig's Facebook group, I ordered some trays and a pen holder from her, which should be coming pretty soon. I saw that she was announcing this paint along, so I said, well, that's a reason for me to buy this painting, even though I got so many in my stash. And we'll get to those one day. So I'm going to go ahead and unroll it here. Oh, look at the pink colors on that. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Okay, and her size requirement is 40 by 60, and this was just off by a little bit, so she said, yeah, I could do this. So it comes with its little step-by-step instruction booklet, like they always have, and then the thank you 10% off for your next purchase. They always include that in there. Okay, and it's got all the instructions and the thank you for purchasing. Okay. And here is the, oh yes, they've got, this is my first one, I think, maybe, that I've opened that has the stickers already ready to peel off. There's 32 colors, and there's supposed to be 3 ABs in here. So those would probably be at the top. Yes, right here. There's 141, 127, and 126. So we'll see if we can get those into the painting. Okay, so let me roll this the other way and see if I can get some of the wrinkles out of it. I haven't done a DAC, even though I have DAC in my stash. DAC in my stash. I'm almost a poet and didn't know it. Anyway, DAC in my stash, even though I have some that I haven't opened, I'm always so amazed when I do open one, how beautiful their canvases are. Okay, so here we go. And look at this, and we can see the picture along with it. I'm going to put this in a little bit more closer and see if we can get a better shot of this. Let's see. Get my hand up here. Let's see. There we go. Let's see. Maybe that'll be better for you to see. Okay, so it's got 35 colors, and it's got the legends on both sides, of course. That's how DAC is. And look at this whole picture. Isn't it beautiful? I'm going to scoot over here a little bit and get it centered. Isn't this beautiful? Look at that. Oh, and she's got a ring in the nose right here. So I don't know if I'm going to put that in there or what. I guess it, makes her look teenagery. And then the eyes with the eyelashes. And then she's got this beautiful, I bet that's in an AB. Let me see. That is, let's see. Okay, number 1. Yes, these are, this is 141. This is an AB here, right here. And 127 is number 2. Oh, and then these are going to be, these number 2s in here. See these? They're going to be ABs. And then there's the dot. So yeah, this whole bow in her hair that hangs down, it's going to be ABs. And there's some more ABs in here. Okay. And all the way through, all these white lines you see here are going to be ABs. Oh, and it's so beautiful. Look at that. And her pink hair. Oh, my goodness. And of course, the nice canvas that DAC always has with the scalloped edges. And this one is here, maybe you'll be able to, yeah, this is Pink Mermaid by Chibika Art. So they're licensed through this company on this painting. And it's just beautiful. Look at all the pretty colors in here. Oh, there goes my phone. I can't answer it right now. Anyway, look at the blues. Look at the blues and the purples and the greens. Oh, it's going to be beautiful. Too bad the camera doesn't show the brightness of it. And look at those lips. Aren't those lips beautiful? And yeah, those look like there's going to be, there's going to be pink ABs in her lips to shine her up. And there's going to be ABs right here. Oh, how pretty. And DAC is famous for their clear drill field. Look at that. Look at that. Everything's so nice. You can see, yeah, it's going to be beautiful. Yeah, just beautiful. So if any of you got this painting out there, let me know. If you've started working on it, let me know. We can compare notes. Let me move this out a little bit so you can see a little better. Maybe if I move it sideways there. Move it sideways, you can see the picture a lot better. It's just beautiful. And oh, I love the feeling. I love the feelings of their canvas. Yeah. So it's 35 colors, including the ABs. And it's just going to be stunning. A lot of color blocking in here, I think. Well, not really, because there's symbols mixed in with different symbols in there, if you can see that. See? So I don't know how much color blocking I'm going to get. Oh, there's some down there. Yeah, for multi-placing. But it's just beautiful. Okay, so we got that out of the way. Just a beautiful painting. And here's our drills. Okay, so shall we get these open and we'll look at that? Beautiful. Oh, this aqua color is so pretty. Oh my gosh. So let's get these out here. And the rule of the contest was it started Monday and you had to take a picture of the painting before you got any drills on. I think that's a standard thing for most events. And so you had to send a picture, and it started Monday, but she's giving until next Monday at 12 midnight, our time here on the Pacific Coast, to get a progress in. So I'll have time to get some drills put on here and still be in the game. Let's see. Let's open some of these up here. Okay, let's see if we get some of these colors out here. All right, look at these beautiful colors. Look at these. Oh, look at that. There's the there's like a 992 and a 3778 and a 3841. Ooh, isn't that pretty? That is pretty. And a 3325 and a 758. Nice, oh, nice coral color. 601. Oh, look at that. That's a deep color. 963. Nice pink. Here's a purple. A lavender. 209. The drills are beautiful, and it's square. Here's a 603. Nice pink. And another pink that's just a little shade different. 603. And we got a 993. Okay, and then we've got a 602. Oh, two 602s. Oh, that's going to be a lot of the color of her hair. And then a 775. Two 775s. So that's going to be a lot in the background and in her hair. And then a 605 and a 3756 and a 604. Okay, that's that package. And we'll go on to the next one here. Put those aside. Okay, so there's two strips here. Okay, so we got, here's an AB. A one, no, not really. It's under one, it's still 154. So there's a 154. Okay, and then a 310. That's all the 310s. Oh, there's not very many 310s in here. And there is a 3830. Okay, and a 948, and a 3760, and a 915. Now these are the colors that I love. Oh, look at this pretty blue, the 799. Isn't that pretty? A 126. Okay, there's the AB. Can you tell? Here, let me turn it over, and you can see the sparkle in there. See that sparkle? Ooh, yeah. Yeah, see that? Aurora Borealis is what they're called, ABs. That's what we call them, ABs. And they're just, they have a coating on them. If you're new to diamond painting and you don't know what that is, they have a coating on them. It makes them shiny and iridescent. So it just gives the painting more highlights, and they shine, you know, as you move the painting around. They're really beautiful. Okay, so here's a 208 and a 955 and a 519 and a 356, 754, 127. Okay, another AB. Oh, these are pretty. Yeah, another AB. You can see the shine on those. Yeah, little twinkle. See that? And it's kind of iridescent, and they change colors a little bit. They capture the light. And there's a 917, 3755, 954. That's a pretty mint green. Or here, pretty mint green. There we go. And a 600. Okay. And here's another, there's the white AB. See that shine on there? White AB. There you go. So how you can tell, oh, one more, a 210. Look at that pretty lavender, a 210. Anyway, that's the drills. And how you can tell the ABs in your kit is anything that's numbered under 150. So anything 149 down would be an AB, and they usually have it in the legend. So they've listed their ABs in here twice, as you can see, the 1, 2, and 3. So you can see that. Okay, so I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I can talk about. I just think it's a beautiful thing, and I'm going to get started on this one. And hopefully, after this one, maybe I'll be able to finish my journey of my stash and all the paintings that I've collected. So I still got quite a bit, and I got quite a few DACs in there, and I got a Bella Safina, and I've got another Diamond Dots at Home one I haven't opened yet. I've got some special drill paintings I haven't done yet, so I still got quite a ways to go to get through all that. But I'm going to start on this one, and I think then I'm going to show you. I'm actually going to do step by step with this. My next video, I think I'm going to show you how I put the release papers on. I think that's what I'm going to do with this. I'll do a comparison of release paper and parchment paper. Both of them are great. Parchment paper you can see through more, where release paper, if your light pad's on behind it, you can see through, but other than that. But I'll show you the difference of why I prefer release paper to parchment paper. But like I said, it's a preference thing. That's my preference, and some people love the parchment paper. So that'll be coming up next, right after this. So watch for it. But I'm just really impressed with this painting. I can't wait to get her eyelashes done. Oh my gosh, that's going to be beautiful. I'm really into eyelashes. I don't know if you can tell on my videos or not, but and it's just beautiful, and the colors back in here. So there she is. Like I said, tell me if you have her, what you think of her. Anyway, that'll do it for today, and I'm glad you joined me. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that, and hit the bell to get notified when I have these unboxings or any new video I put out. And make sure to hit the like button. A lot of people kind of forget about that, but that's important too. So anyway, welcome to any new people. I welcome comments in the comment section. I like talking to people, even if it's online or over the computer. So, well, have a good day, and I'm going to say goodbye now, and I'll be back with this one in a little while.